Jim puts his pencil point at 1, 0, then at 0, 2, negative 3, 0, 0, negative 4, 5, 0, and he continues this pattern until he gets to the point 97. So determine this point and express it as the ordered pair AB. Now the question is, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you notice, these two are similar. So if I write it like this, P0, P1, P2, P3, and then P4 comes back down here. Now if I continued, P5 would be 0, 6, P6 would be 7, negative 7, 0, P7 would be 0, comma, negative 4. So the question is, where will 97 fall? Well, if you notice, 0, 4, and so on, these are all multiples of 4. These are all multiples of 4 with the remainder of 1. These are multiples of 4 with the remainder of 2. These are multiples of 4 with the remainder of 3. So the question is, what's 97? Well, 97 is a multiple of 4 with a remainder of 1. So 97 is going to be down here. So it's going to be 0, comma something. Now notice that each time we either add 4 or negative 4. So how many times are we doing that? Well, we're going to be doing this. Well, 97 is, let's see. If I take 97 and divide by 4, I get 2. I'm left with 1, 7. So I get 4 with a remainder of 1, just like we thought. All right. So now, how much do we add? Well, we're going to be adding this. We're going to be adding 4 24 times. So 4 times 24. So that gives us, we double it twice, and we get plus 96. So when we do that, we get 98. So that means this right here is our answer.